Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel to our new and fresh vlog from Darjeeling series. And thank you everyone for supporting my vlog. बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स को ये क्वेश्चन है कि अचानक मैं बंगाली से इंग्लिश में क्यों व्लॉग दे रही हूँ। इसके कारण एक ही है कि बहुत सारे बाहर के यानी कि फॉरेन के जो व्यूअर्स होते हैं वो मेरे व्लॉग भी देख रहे हैं। एंड दार्जिलिंग इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस ऑफ आवर कंट्री। उसीलिए मैं बाहर के लोगों को भी पता चले हमारे इंडिया के बारे में, हमारे दार्जिलिंग के बारे में, और इसीलिए मैं बाहर के लोगों के साथ भी ये ब्लॉग शेयर करना चाहती हूँ और उसीलिए ये इंग्लिश में आ रहा है। तो कोई को कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, सो इसी के लिए मैं सॉरी भी बोलना चाहती हूँ। एंड थैंक्स अगेन for supporting me. So come back to Glenaries of Darjeeling. For those of you who don't know what Glenaries is, it is one of the iconic landmark in Darjeeling. Well over 100 years old, Glenaries has been around since the time of the British Raj. This place was not always called Glenaries. Back in the days, it was called Vado. But after India's independence, Glenaries changed hand and eventually the name got changed too. At present, I am in front of the Glenaries. If you have come to Glenaries Bakery and Cafe, you have heard of their legendary breakfast, from sandwiches to roll to pizzas and cakes. Everything with the famous Darjeeling tea. If you must leave Glenaries for some reason, make sure you come back in the evening for a very interesting and romantic al fresco dining experience. You can look at people from the rooftop open dining area, but here's a better idea: look at the Darjeeling city view instead. Look at the ambience of Glenaries. You can access the staircase to the upper floor restaurant either from the inside the ground floor bakery or through a separate entrance at the road level and on the right side of the building. The dining room is large and impressive and exudes a classy elegance. Several glass-top wooden table and chair with black lacquered finish are laid across the dining room. The table have white tablecloths, proclaimed vase with fresh flowers and glasses with napkins inserted into them. The ceiling is quite impressive as well. It has matte yellow finish with carved artwork as well as candeliers. With white wooden framed glass windows, wooden floor and decorative pillars, the ambience of the restaurant is definitely quite appealing. The well-stocked bar, which is now located next to the entrance door, used to be on the opposite side and at the end of the large dining room. There is also an roof-covered outdoor terrace which can be accessed from the right-hand section of the dining room. This terrace has been newly added and is very popular among the tourists. This is a great place to dine al fresco and enjoy the views of the mountain and Darjeeling township. There is an wooden stairway at the one end of the terrace which leads down to the open terrace of the Glenaries Bakery at the ground floor. The food item I had taken and the menus of the bakeries.
और किन लेना है? कहाँ से लेना है? इधर से सब कोई भी बास्केट लेना पड़ेगा। कहाँ से लेना पड़ेगा? थैंक यू।
Pancake.
एक एक लेंगे तो हम लोग बांट के खा सकते हैं।
Fruit cake. Walnut. One is, excuse me. Taste delish.
Eggless. And this is
cheese tattoo shakeless. Cream roll.
donuts.
এগুলো জ্যাম ট্যাম আইটেম। ওই ডোগাট
এইটা ব্ল্যাক ফরেস্ট
এটা কি দিই?
Molten lava. Bill?
There is a self-service system. Glenorrhys Bakery and Cafe, also known as the Glenorrhys Cake Shop, is located at ground floor. This is the best place to have pastries, pudding and pie in Darjeeling. And it's a good place for taking photos, selfies and for making reels also. Now it's a time to leave the cafe with great experience and memory with me. তোমাদের জন্যই ব্লগ বানানো, তোমাদের জন্যই এই চ্যানেলটা। তোমাদেরকে অসংখ্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ আমার পাশে থাকার জন্য, আমার ব্লগগুলো যত্ন সহকারে দেখার জন্য, সেগুলো সবার সাথে শেয়ার করার জন্য আর আমাকে এত এত ভালোবাসা দেওয়ার জন্য। তোমরাও ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো। আবার দেখা হবে দার্জিলিং সিরিজেরই আর কয়েকটা ব্লগে।
এগুলো কি আছে? ওহো, এগুলো কি আছে?
There is also some gift items selling there, and I had purchased some for gifting purpose. You can also buy from there. You can take selfies and making reels for your Instagram, of course. Glenorrhys is located on Nehru Road near Clock Tower, Chowk Bazar, Darjeeling, West Bengal. Thank you guys for watching my vlog.